What if you could make hundreds of dollars profit just having items delivered to your house that you paid nothing for? That's exactly what I've been doing, getting free books delivered to my doorstep.
I'm kind of freaking out right now. I just got these delivered on my front porch. Look at this. $63 profit.
You can flip them on Amazon for a profit. I'll show you exactly how. What you're gonna do is open up your phone. You can see I can take a picture of the book here simply by tapping on the screen. $47.18 profit. If I click on that number, it's gonna break down all the fees. After all the fees, I'm left with $47.18 profit. I'm selling it for $66.41, but this app also shows me buyback companies willing to pay me cash for the books. I could sell this for $47.49 to a buyback company. This book's in good condition. As long as it makes it to the buyback company okay, I'm gonna get paid cold hard cash. So this one is gonna go to the buyback company. Let's go through these other books and see how much profit I'm left with. I can take a picture of the cover like that, move on to the next book, take a picture of the cover. I'm gonna queue these scans in. These are live. Negative $4 profit. Another Goodwill donation. This one here is actually an Alabama A&M University specific one. Those can be hard to find on Amazon, so I'm gonna set that one aside right now. But let's go ahead and move on over here. I have these barcode books lined up. So what we can do is quickly scan the barcode here, and you can see it's gonna turn green if it's profitable, and it's gonna say pass if it's not. This one's $13 profit here. It's also gonna tell you the sales pulse. That's how many times it's sold on Amazon in the last 6 months. So it's sold 20 times on Amazon. It's had at least one day with a sale over the last 6 months, and Sell Back Your Book, the buyback company, is paying $3.71 for that. So what I'm gonna do, that's the Business Insiders, no business side of medicine. So that's another profitable one. So we are up to $60 profit. Let's see, did this one come up? High yield, here we go, $21 profit. This one's a tough one. The low FBA is 32, and I can explain this more in other videos, but basically this person's offering fast shipping, and the low price is $6. Realistically, I'm not gonna bet, I mean, we could sell this for probably 15 bucks. But look, the sales pulse is 1, so that's gonna be a pass. Let's see what else we got here. We have the Norton Anthology of World Literature. Let's see if this one's profitable. And then I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can get your own website set up. With the world of AI, it's gonna take you guys about 10 minutes to get a website set up, and I'll give a complete breakdown in this video. Let's just go through and see how much profit I'm left with these, and then we'll make a Goodwill pile. Don't stress, maybe only 5% of the books you get are gonna be good, but since you're not paying any money for them, it's 1,000% ROI. It's infinite return on investment. A lot of Amazon businesses, you start online arbitrage, wholesale. I do 300,000 on wholesale each month, but sometimes look at my cash flow and I'm just putting money back in the business. And this is why I love this business for you guys. It's very low investment up front. $13 profit for the Spanish tutor book. What's that put us up to? $73 profit with these books here. I need to look this book up. I just have a gut feeling this one's not a good book. Yeah, here we go. We got the exact sales pulse is 6. We could send it in for 11 cents. And if you guys watch this channel and end up doing a bulk book operation, which some of you will, it would be worth sending this in for 11 cents, you know, if your employee already scanned it. But, you know, I'm making this channel for everyday people just starting out. So I know a lot of you aren't in that position. So these are all books we're going to give back. We could even take them to a bookstore that pays cash for the books, and we might be able to get some cash for those. Let's see here. One of the Norton anthologies was, yeah, wow, look at this. 9 eScore, Sell Back Your Book's paying $4. It's a slow mover. It's sold 9 times. The sales pulse is 9. The used price is $19.50. That's a low used price. Realistically, that's what we're going to sell it for. Which one was this? If you guys ever want to see a close-up, click here. And this app is not available for the public yet. If you guys do want access to it, I will include a link below and email you guys once it's live. But there's other apps on the market that you can go check out if you just type in book scanning tools and this is volume E. So boom, this one right here is going to make us $8.75. I would be tempted, and this is what I'm actually encouraging you guys to do in 2026, $4 is what we could make if we sent it to the buyback company, or if we're patient and sell it on Amazon, we could make $8.75. Now, when we send to Amazon, you have to understand the data. It's very important that you understand what you're looking at. You have to know what the sales pulse is, what that means, what the sales rank is. And in other videos, I do break this down in depth. And so the name of the game, let's get this focused, selling on Amazon in 2026 is send the good books to Amazon. We're actually gonna send about half of these directly to buyback companies. Sell back your book is gonna pay pretty good cash, for this one, and $47 cash for this one. And then for these, I'm gonna set them aside to send to Amazon. And what Amazon does is they will store them for you, prep them for you, ship them to the customer. They actually handle customer service. And so it makes it very easy for people to scale this business from home. And they don't have to take up a lot of space in their house. They can get rid of the books. You can literally take these to Goodwill right now. Or if you have a used bookstore, highly recommend you build a relationship with them. Hopefully they like the books you bring them, and most likely they'll pay you cash too for them. And then here, these books are gonna make us cash immediately. And then these we're gonna set aside until we have about a box full. You actually don't wanna send a box this big. The best boxes to send are 12 by 16 by 12. That way you're not going over 50 pounds. Amazon will lose your books if you send too big packages. The carriers will, and that's their fault. And Amazon also won't let you send boxes of books over 50 pounds. But you guys can see how easy that was to get books delivered. And I know you're wondering how the heck do we do this? I'm gonna show that in just a second. But the actual process of scanning them is very, very simple. And again, I'm gonna link below my tool. I'm the founder of GoToLister, been running this business for 5 years now. I've been selling books on Amazon for 10 years, sold over 10 million on Amazon, and books were my foundation. And we have a brand new tool, the best in the market in terms of data, what it looks at, and also the buyback companies. That's huge in 2026. We're gonna be more of sellers to buyback companies, get cold hard cash, put in your bank, and then the high ROI books that the buyback companies don't pay a lot for, we're gonna set those aside, let Amazon do all the heavy lifting, ship these to Amazon. You don't have to worry about storing them in your house, picking orders every day, and that's really the benefit of FBA. Anyway, let's get into exactly how you can do this. Let's go upstairs. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. It's so cool how you can make a website using AI and get books delivered to your doorstep. So let's go ahead and lock in the books that are gonna make us the money. And I went ahead and typed this one in. Pro tip, I recommend downloading the app Whisperflow for your phone and your computer because you can do this. I'm gonna hold down one button and talk. 978-1-975-107-956. That was me kind of going slow with it, but you can see it adds it instantly to the cart, $47 profit. All we have to do is click on sell my items. It'll print a shipping label for us and we're good to go. How do we get these books delivered to our house for free? That's the main question. So what we're going to do is go to this website, replit.com. So go to replit.com and then you're going to prompt here. I'm going to add below an in-depth prompt, but you could just do this. Make me a book donation website for my city. And it's going to literally just click enter and it's going to start building that. I started one over here. Let's see if it's done yet. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and show you guys what you can make with AI with a single prompt in 2026. While we're waiting for that website to get made, I'm going to show you guys how you can list them on Amazon real quick. So this is GoToLister. This is the fastest way to list books. What we can do is type in where we got the books. So we got these books for free. So we'll type in free books. Buy cost is obviously going to be $0. Those are the two metrics we have you track at GoToLister just to make sure you understand where did you get your books, how much did you pay for them. We have a profit and loss at the end of the year. You can check how much you made according to each source. So that's why we do that. Then what you're going to do, and I never list books like this. This is just for an example, and I love Whisperflow. I usually use a scanner. You can use this little Bluetooth scanner here, eYoYo. Just type it in on Amazon, or we can grab this scanner here. This is the Wone Nice scanner. You can also look that up on Amazon. But for right now, that's not important. I'm just going to show you guys real quick how you can list it. 978-1-938-223-679. We're going to search that. And in 2026, I know I keep saying that, but a lot of things have changed with books. We're going to list most of our books as like new or very good. And that's because we get faster sales. And it's just the nature of the game. Like if you list books as acceptable, you're not going to get eyeballs on Amazon. They're hiding acceptable condition copies. In the past, we used to tell people under condition, over deliver. And a lot of Goodwills used to do that. That's sold on Amazon. But right now, they're just not getting the buy box. So this one is going to make us $13 profit. We got the Spanish tutor here. I can just type that in. Spanish tutor grammar and vocabulary workbook. This is the orange copy. So now what we're going to do is look for that orange copy. And there is an orange copy. And we're going to go with that one right there. Boom. Next is this Norton Anthology of World Literature. Let's go ahead and the Norton Anthology of World Literature, Volume E. That's pretty fast. It's not slow. But if you guys watch my actual listing videos, you can list way faster than this. And if you're paying employees again and you're really running the business, you really want to dial this in. Let's see how much that one was going to make us. $28, 2.2 million. And I'll break this down more in future videos if you guys click below. But every time this green line goes down, that's a sale. And then this black line is the used price. And so you can see this is selling quite frequently. And this is like a medium selling book. This is by no means a fast seller. You can see the whole month of April it did not sell. But for May, it sold one time. For June, it sold twice. We go July, mid-July, it just sold. And this is probably going to pick up here pretty soon because textbook season's upon. Actually, why is it not sold in August? That's crazy. Maybe it's a beginning of the year textbook. Regardless, this book is good and it's going to yield us $20 plus profit. $45 profit here. Downstairs, or when I was scanning those into World of Books, we had $47. So just from that, we're just shy of $100 profit. And this is a very realistic view of, one box delivered at our house just made us close to $100 profit. Let's go back here. This is the website it made in literally a few minutes. It's got this. And this is trying to sell books. I would have it remove that part of it, but donate a book is what you want. And let's see, I actually prompted it twice and it gave me completely different answers. And that's the benefit of doing this. Your website's going to look different than everyone else. Find a book, donate a book. Right now, I'm not advocating that you guys, find books. And if you guys use the prompt I gave below, it's going to give you a website that looks more like this, where it really breaks down what your business is, where you're located, who you serve. And for me, I recommend you guys go pick books up from people's porches. Like, make this a free book pickup service. Be willing to put in the dirty work and go pick up books. But right now at my stage in business, I'm really doing this to show you guys how to get books. But I'm not going to say no to a $100 bill delivered on my front porch. And so my rule on my website is just drop-offs. If you want to drop off your books, go for it. And this is a beautiful website here that Replit made for me. So I do recommend going in and prompting that below, getting your website set up. I just showed you guys how to list books. I showed you guys how to sell your books back. And so this can be a very low cost business with a free trial of GoToList. You're not paying anything until 14 days after, and then it's $50 a month. And then with Replit, if you do it right, it's going to be free as well, because AI doesn't cost much if you don't tax it. Now, if you tell it to do 1,000 different things, it's going to start trying to charge you. But with the prompt below, I don't think it should charge you with that. One important thing you do is at the very end, when you're happy with the website, go ahead and prompt it. And I have this in the instructions below, but prompt it to, let me get my big fat head out of the way. Prompt it to connect to a domain. Buy me a domain and connect it. You'll just prompt it that. It's going to give you instructions on how you do it. And I believe it's somewhere in the tools. You'll click here. Yeah, you'll go to domains. And then you can buy the domain here. And then that way you're going to have an official website.com. So Philadelphia book pickup.com, Tom's book pickup service notifxstions.com. And it's like a real website, customized. And the very last thing that I want you guys to do is connect it to a Google business, to my Google business. Don't have a Google business? Of course you don't. This is your first time doing it. It's going to prompt you how to do that. Then you'll show up on Google, which is going to give you more traffic and help you get more books. That video was helpful. If you guys have any questions at all, please ask below. We also have a community of booksellers that share their wins every single day. It's a GoToLister community. You guys can access it by signing up for a free trial of GoToLister. You'll get in our Facebook group. We do monthly coaching calls in there. Pretty soon we're going to be doing bi-monthly, maybe every single week, to help the beginners get started and start making cash on these books. So much love, guys. Catch you next video. Peace.